Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Character AI app not working. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and open the settings of your phone. And once you open the settings, you should scroll down till you find here this option apps. And you should do the same steps on your iPhone. So now go to manage apps. And after that, you should now search for Character AI application. And here, as you can see, I have it. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, here it will show you this page. Go to the storage, then click on clear data, then click on clear cache, then click on OK. After that, it will clear the cache. Now you can go back and try to open the application on your phone. And if you are using an iPhone, you will have to choose an equivalent option, which is called offload app. So you will find here an option called offload app. If you have an iPhone, you just have to tap on it, then try to open the application again. Now, if you still have the problem, in this case, you will have to delete the application permanently. So how you can do so, you can simply do the same thing by going to the app, then click on clear all data or uninstall the application itself. You can simply hold on the application, then drag it like this and drag it here in the uninstall section, then click on uninstall. And after uninstalling the application, you should go back and try to download it again from Play Store. So you will have to open Play Store, go to the search, then search here for Character AI. And you need to make sure that you are downloading the official application, not an application that is copied. And after installing the application and downloading it back again, you should now go and try to open it and the issue will be fixed. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.